Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, we're going to go through the 3D design process of a four-prong ring setting using matrix. I decided to create this tutorial because four-prong settings may look simple, but if the design principles are not respected in 3D, they can cause serious issues later during casting or stone setting. In matrix, the first thing we focus on is perfect prong symmetry. All prongs must be fully centered on the stone and aligned precisely along the X and Y axes. To achieve this, I usually use polar array or mirrored copies to make sure the spacing between prongs is perfectly even. The second key point is prong dimensions and thickness. The base thickness, prong height, and tip diameter must be defined according to the stone size strong enough for durability, but not so heavy that the design loses its elegance. Next, we move on to the stone seat. When designing the seat, the depth, contact angle, and stone alignment are critical. I usually use the gem cutter tool or manually adjust surfaces to ensure the stone sits level, secure, and without unnecessary stress. Finally, we consider manufacturing tolerances, the required clearances for casting, polishing, and stone setting. This step is often overlooked, but it has a major impact on the final production quality. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I designed this four-prong setting in matrix, which settings I use, and how I avoid common design mistakes that can cause problems during production.